Advertisers often prey on marginalized groups because we have more of a desire to belong. And we have all these ideas fed to us as to what is beautiful and what we should look like. If you look at the obsession with women to change who they are and to become something different, I find it really problematic and disturbing.
I have not painted myself in a number of years. And part of that is because I had a difficult time seeing myself as an aging woman.
Women, as they get older, if they're not considered beautiful by cultural standards, then they're not valued as much. And I think that's something that a lot of women deal with.
Feminism and the feminist movement and going forward isn't just about teaching women to speak up and own their space and say no. That is obviously important, but we also need to teach boys how to be real men. I think this is the start of a revolution.